Every time a new iPhone dropped, you stood in line, you handed over your money, and you walked out smiling. But what if that decision was quietly one of the most expensive choices of your entire financial life? Stay tuned until the end to know how much you have lost. Your hamster ran the numbers. Using publicly available historical data, here is what could have happened, hypothetically. If, instead of buying each iPhone on release day, you had bought Apple shares for the exact same amount of money. And your hamster is going to be completely transparent about the numbers, because different analyses give very different results. Brace yourself. iPhone 1, 2007, $499 spent on the phone. Apple shares were trading at around $4.37 on a split-adjusted basis, around 114 shares. Hypothetical value today? Potentially around $29,000. iPhone 3G, 2008, $599, around 95 shares at $6.27. Could be worth around $24,000 today. iPhone 3 GS, 2009, $599. Around 121 shares at $4.93. Could be around $30,000 today. iPhone 4, 2010, around 61 shares. Hypothetically around $15,000 today. iPhone 4S, 2011, around 43 shares. Around $11,000 today. And it keeps going, year after year after year, phone after phone after phone, each one walking out of the store and into the trash 3 years later. Now, my fellow investors, your hamster needs to be completely straight with you, because you may have seen different numbers online for this exact calculation, and here is why. If you only count the base iPhone model every year, no dividends included, publicly available analyses suggest the hypothetical total today could be around $170,000. But if you factor in the PRO or PRO max prices, and include reinvested dividends that Apple has been paying since 2012, and use a higher Apple stock price, that same hypothetical calculation could be anywhere from $250,000 to over $300,000. Every number depends on which iPhone you bought, how you count the dividends, and what price Apple stock is on the day you run the numbers. Your hamster is showing you the full picture because you deserve the truth, not just the most viral number. But here is what all of those analyses agree on completely. Whether the number is $170,000 or $250,000 or over $300,000, every single one of them is dramatically more than what you paid for the phones. You spent somewhere between $12,000 and $20,000 on iPhones over those years, and the shares could hypothetically be worth multiples of that today. Past performance does not predict future results, and your hamster is absolutely not telling you to buy Apple stock. He is simply showing you the concept of opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that cannot work for you elsewhere. This is no financial advice. Save this video and subscribe. Send it to your friend already in line for the next one. And tell me in the comments, are you Team Phone or Team Invest? And which number surprised you most, $170,000 or $300,000?